Hi, my name is Tucker Davis and I work in the Specialty Transformer Division of Southwest Electric Company, and today I will be talking to you about transformer tap changers, what they are, why we use them, and how they work. A tap changer is a mechanism built into transformers that allows for the regulation of output voltage. We use them for when incoming voltage fluctuates or when the load changes. Being able to alter the input allows you to maintain a stable voltage level for your equipment, making it a critical component for safety and efficient operation. When it comes to the different categories, there are typically two main types of tap changers: off-load tap changers and on-load tap changers. Off-load tap changers give you the ability to adjust manually when the transformer is not energized. This type is used when voltage adjustments are not needed as frequently. On the other hand, on-load can be adjusted while the transformer is energized, either automatically or remotely. This kind is found in power transformers when continuous and ongoing voltage regulation is required. So, how do they work? The way that tap changers allow us to regulate the output voltage is by changing the number of active turns in the winding. The physical connection points on the transformer windings are referred to as taps and represent different coil turn counts. When you change the tap, you are altering the winding ratio between the primary and secondary windings, which will in turn change the input voltage. This will allow you to either increase or decrease the voltage depending on the needs of your system. As an example, if the voltage from the power grid were to drop slightly due to heavy load, an on-load tap changer would automatically shift to a tap that increases the transformer's input voltage, ensuring that the supplied voltage to your equipment remains within acceptable limits. Overall, tap changes is an important part of regulating a transformer's output while ensuring operational efficiency and safety with regards to your system's equipment. For more information on transformers and their components, check out our other videos. Reach out to us at swelectric.com to find out how we can help elevate your business needs. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more industry-related content.